Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Infobooth 19. Today we are going to see how to prepare mutton chuka fry. So it's going to be a dry roast type. So whoever loves mutton, surely you all need to give it a try. The masala which we are going to prepare freshly and we are going to add, so that is going to enhance the flavor double and triple times. So surely give it a try, and the recipe is very tasty and it is the best combination and the best side dish for any type of rice item or even roti chapati we can have this with. So let's get into this recipe, how to prepare. It doesn't take much time. So for that, here I have taken around 350 to 400 grams of mutton. Ensure the mutton is fresh, and to this mutton, turmeric powder half a tablespoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste. You can just add salt only for the mutton pieces. Rest all masala we can adjust it later. And 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So ginger garlic paste, it enhances the flavor and also it makes the mutton tender and soft. So once you add everything, we are going to add little bit of water. Just add very little, because we are going to prepare in dry roast type. So don't add more water, then again it will take much time to cook. So add very little bit of water, and then we are going to close the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. It depends on what type of mutton it is. Generally from 4 to 5 whistles it will be ready. So meanwhile we will prepare the masala. So I have taken here 1 tablespoon of whole pepper, 1 tablespoon of jeera, half a tablespoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and 1 tablespoon of this gus, poppy seeds, and cinnamon 1 small stick, then star anise, 2 cloves, and this stone flour. So all these items we can take, and we are going to dry roast all the ingredients. So don't add any oil. The dry roast itself will give good taste and more flavor. So you can add all the dry masalas into a pan, and then you can roast it in low flame. Don't increase the flame, just do it in low to medium flame. After some time, nice aroma will start coming, so that's when we need to stop this. Do not burn the masala, just keep an eye on it. It will not take more time, it will take just 3 to 4 minutes, that's all. So once it is ready, you can take it and keep it aside for cooling. So meanwhile, in a pan, in a heavy bottom pan, you can just add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then green chili, some 2 green chili finely chopped, and 1 big onion finely chopped you can just add. Use either iron vessel or non-stick pan, so that when you're roasting it, it will come nicely. Here I have taken iron vessel. So to get the onions get fried faster, we are adding a pinch of salt so that the onion will get fried faster. So we need to roast the onion till it becomes completely brown in color. So meanwhile, the mutton, exactly 4 to 5 whistles I have kept. See how nicely it has come. Since we have added less water, there is not much water in that. You can add curry leaves to that. The curry leaves will give more flavor. When you fry onion and curry leaf, the flavor will be more. So you can just add a bunch of curry leaves and you can start frying this onion. Only if onion gets roasted well, the mutton chuka will come very nice, tasty, and very that consistency we will get. So fry the onion till it becomes golden brown. So once that's ready, you can just add the mutton along with the water. Do not waste the water, because that water also has some taste and flavor. So don't waste the water, add it along with that. In case when you're cooking the mutton, if you're adding more water, then we need to cook it till all the water goes off. So ensure that you add less water when you're doing this pressure cooking. And after that, you can add the dry roast, masala, whatever we have made, freshly homemade masala. So when you add this masala, it smells amazing, because it is prepared in home and freshly we have made and we have added. So the smell is coming amazingly. Now we have to dry roast till all the water content goes and the masala gets involved in this mutton piece as well. So you can just close the lid, and in between you can just stir it. Just roast it well till it become little bit crispy on the sides. Finally, you can add curry leaves and you can remove it from stove. So this curry leaves will give more flavor to chuka. So this chuka roast, surely you all need to give it a try. It is very tasty and it's very yummy. And if you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. If you try this recipe, share the dish photo to the email ID given below. Always be happy, be positive, and spread the positivity to everyone. Thanks for watching.